We're here in the British Museum to show you one of the cool features with the Go3 TimeShift. Now TimeShift is the Go3's very cool version of Hyperlapse, which enables you to do a time lapse while the camera's moving. In TimeShift mode, there's this really handy little X in the middle of the touchscreen on the action pod to keep your subject centered. So if you want to pick up a Go3 for yourself, there is a link in the description, and if you've got any questions, please ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.